Happy Thursday, 3rd and 4th grade. Today for our grammar time, we get into our jingles for the first time this year. Our jingles are something that we're going to do many days in grammar, not every day, but quite frequently, where we're going to learn different jingles that are going to help us remember different things that we need to know for class. So today we're taking our sentence jingle. Our sentence jingle is going to teach us about the 5 main parts of a sentence that you need. The first one's going to be that it needs a subject. Second one's going to be that it needs a verb. Third, it also needs to make complete sense. Fourth, it's got to have a capital letter. And fifth, we need an end mark at the end. Now, as we keep going through our year, we'll talk about what all those different things mean. Today, we're going to rock out on our jingle. We'll do it twice. So the first time through, feel free to, if you want to just listen and pick up the rhythm of it. Second time through, try to say it along with me so that you can start memorizing all these different parts of a sentence. Jingle 2, class. A sentence is complete when 5 simple rules it meets. It has a subject, and a verb, and it makes sense with every word. Add a capital letter, add a punctuation mark, and now our sentence has all its parts. But remember, subject and verb and complete sense with a capital letter and an end mark too. Our sentence is complete, and now we're through. Jingle 2, class. A sentence is complete when 5 simple rules it meets. It has a subject, and a verb, and it makes sense with every word. Add a capital letter, add a punctuation mark, and now our sentence has all its parts. But remember, subject and verb and complete sense with a capital letter and an end mark too. Our sentence is complete, and now we're through. Good afternoon, 3rd and 4th grade. Today for grammar, we are learning all about synonyms and antonyms. All right, these are words that we're going to see when we read, we're going to see them when we write. And what they mean, if 2 words are synonyms, that means that they're the same. They mean basically the same thing. Antonyms are words that are going to be opposite. Okay, so synonym, same, antonym, opposite. Let's try to think of a synonym for ourselves. Little. What would be a word that would mean just about the same thing as little? If you've thought of one already, try to think of a second one. See if you can think of 2. Well, I thought of small. Did you think of the same one? Little and small, right? Those kind of mean the same thing, little and small. Now, that would be an example of a synonym because those are the same. Let's think of an antonym. Antonyms are opposite. Okay? So, happy. What would be the opposite of happy? If you're not happy, what would you be? Maybe you thought of mad. That's what I thought of. Happy and mad. Those would be antonyms. Those are opposite. You could also say angry. Happy and angry. Those would be 2 opposite words. Now, it's not like every word only has one synonym or one antonym. You could have a whole list of them. Okay? Small, little, small, tiny, microscopic. All of those are synonyms. Same thing with antonyms. An antonym of happy could be mad, could be angry, all sorts of different things. Could be sad. All right? So, here's a little tip for you. When you're thinking about these, think, can you be blank and blank at the same time? Can you be little and small at the same time? Yes. If the answer is yes, then it's a synonym. Okay? If you can be little and small at the same time, yes, okay, well, we got a synonym on our hands. If you can't, can you be happy and mad at the same time? No, you can't be happy and mad at the same time. So those are going to be antonyms. So in our worksheet for today, what I want you to do is think about that same question. Can you be blank and blank at the same time? If it's yes, then it's a synonym. If it's no, then it's an antonym. All right? Take out your worksheet. Your worksheet for today is your synonyms and antonyms worksheet. Should be found in your Thursday folder. Go ahead, take that out, and let's get working on it. Excellent. You should have your worksheet out by now. Go ahead and just double tap that name that you should have right here. Double tap it so you know it's there and we can make sure we get you your full credit for your work. Today's date, it's Thursday. We're going to write that date with digits. So it's the 9th month, September. It's the 10th day, and we're in the year 2020. So it would be 9/10/20. At the top, I've got a quick review for you. Remember, synonyms, 2 words that mean the same. Go ahead and underline same. Antonyms, 2 words that mean opposite things. Right? So I gave you 2 examples, yell and shout. Remember our hint. Can you yell and shout at the same time? Yes. That's how we know it's a synonym. Other example, tall and short. Can you be tall and short at the same time? No. So that's how we know it's an antonym. What we're going to do, for each pair of words, we're going to choose if it's a synonym or an antonym. All right, so come and go. Can you come and go at the same time? No, so those would be antonyms. Right? You can't come somewhere and go somewhere at the same time. Next, above and over. Can you be above something and over something at the same time? Yeah. That would be a synonym. Number 3, job and chore. Can you have a job and do a chore at the same time? Yeah, that would be synonyms. All right, I got you started. Let's look at the last ones. I'll go ahead and read them. If you don't need me to read them, feel free to pause the video and just get going on your work. If you need me to read them for you, I'll read the last couple here. Jump and leap. Can you jump and leap at the same time? If yes, they're a synonym. If no, it's an antonym. 5, rush and hurry. Can you rush and hurry at the same time? If yes, they're synonyms. Number 6, whisper and shout. Can you whisper and shout at the same time? Yes, synonym. No, antonym. 7, enemy and friend. Can you be an enemy and a friend at the same time? If yes, synonym. If no, antonym. Easy and hard. Can something be easy and hard at the same time? If yes, synonym. If no, antonym. Number 9, fast and quick. Can someone be fast and quick at the same time? If yes, synonyms. If no, antonyms. Last one, number 10. Can something be absent and missing at the same time? If yes, synonyms. If no, antonyms. All right. Nice job. You should have that completed now. When you're done, tuck it back in your folder so that you can get full credit for that hard work. Make sure you mark it off of your weekly checklist, and good luck on the rest of your work today.